Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Fallout 4 10mm pistol run only on very hard. That's right, very hard. There's some weird bug things up here you gotta watch out for. Not very easy to see, they're pretty skinny, they're little skinny pricks. There's one there. Do some fucking damage to these bitches. We don't want to take a lot of damage. I haven't figured out what we're going to do with this Deathclaw coming up, but we'll figure it out. Something we do want to get. Let's be careful here. Let's go over to this house. Toolbox here. Grab the Wonder Glue. Here we go, first aid kit. I was looking for that. Caps as well. Nothing in the cabinets. Novice. Lock. Easy peasy. Okay, this is gonna... Nope, that's gonna break. Okay. It's okay, we have plenty of bobby pins. Just don't fuck up again. Alright, you are fucking up again. Come on, you shitlord. There we go.
Got it.
Grab all that dumb ass shit. I'm gonna be grabbing a whole bunch of useless shit just out of habit. Useless to this run. At least. Where's the speakeasy? We need to go to the speakeasy. I believe it's this way. No, that's the workhouse. Speakeasy's over here. Here's the speakeasy. I don't believe the workhouse has anything of value. I'm probably definitely wrong in saying that, but we want some stuff at the speakeasy. Whether we'll use it or not, not quite sure about. Turn on the light. Go over here. This is advanced. Okay, we're not going to be picking that. The camera, I believe, also has copper. Could be wrong. There's nothing of use down here. I don't believe. Actually, I'm very wrong. There's Wonder Glue. Excuse me. Ugh. Whole bunch of shit, actually. I lied. Whole bunch of adhesive. Very nice. Nothing of use over here. Just a bunch of drunks. Excuse me. Just wiping my nose with the tissue. Nothing in here. I don't believe there's any safes or anything. There is a Vault-Tec lunchbox, which will give you a fucking piece of chalk. Nope. Nope, we don't want to go out there. Nope. This is the room we're looking for. And we want these day trippers. As well as the X-Cells. Oh, not that comfortable pillow. The X-Cells. It's a combat knife down here. I'll take it anyway. Not like I'm going to use it. 10mm pistol, 10mm rounds. Very good. Very, very good. I will be using melee with the 10mm pistol. With the 10mm pistol. So, if you see me meleeing with the 10mm pistol, please... do not scream at me, because it's still the 10mm pistol. Alright? Alright, let's go out. There's either going to be raiders out here, or there's not. They could be dead by now, but I highly doubt that. They usually have a pretty decently long firefight. I have waited long enough before to where Preston Garvey has killed all of the raiders, which is kind of surprising. Dude's a shitlord. Okay, there's one there. Looks like there's only one. I might be a total pussy with this Deathclaw. Okay. We want road leathers and leather armor. This is going to be my plan for the Deathclaw. I'm probably going to go in here. Because one thing, he's going to do a fuckload of damage. Another thing is, he can't get through that door. There's also a bad guy up here, shooting from the balcony out here, so I could shoot that guy. Or gal, whichever it is. Nope, not going up there. So we could go out here. The Deathclaw can actually hit you from here, believe it or not. And I can't use... I don't think I have any mines, and I don't think you guys want to see me using them. Let me know if you guys want to see me using Molotovs or grenades, if you think that's allowed. Would you consider that breaking the rules? I don't know. But, for now, see, he killed most of them, actually. I'm going to be taking the Molotov cocktails anyway. I don't know why I took that pistol. I honestly don't even know why I'm taking all this ammo. Going here. Oh, here's another dude. Take all the leather armor. Road leathers. I'm going to be putting those on now. So let's put on the leather. The road leathers. It's a work in progress. There's some aluminum here as well as duct tape. Don't forget that. There's some oil here. There's a bunch of shit in here, actually. It's a little dark. There are light bulbs for copper, blah, blah, blah. All that kind of shit. Let's see. There's some drugs up here. Right over here. There we go. Booyah. Drugs. Jump on down here. Take a little bit of damage because I'm a fucking idiot. And go inside the Museum of Freedom, where everyone knows the Perception bobblehead is. Hooray. Careful. Yep. God damn it. Die, please. I'm shooting right at your head, am I not? There we go. Okay, that was a waste. Eat some grilled rad roach meat. Fill up the health. Go down and get this fusion core.
Got it.
Lockpicking is less time consuming than hacking the terminal. So I figured I'd just do that. Save some time. Not really like this is a speed run or anything, but why not save some time, am I right? Alright. Fair enough. Some shit in here. Some medics and not medics. Well, we got a Tato. We needed a Tato for our farm, so that's good. Bag of cement. No thank you. I won't be picking that up. More shit over here. Maybe some 10mm rounds in here. Yes, there is. Gladly taking that. I've been wasting some ammo. I guess I've just been missing. I've been doing shit. That's all. I will be taking this fan over here, though, for these screws. You can make stim packs. I won't be making stim packs, probably. We'll see how that turns out. Bottle cap stash. There are quite a few more guys left, actually, so we're going to be pretty careful. Stim pack. Do we have leather right arm? we do. I believe we also... No, we don't have left leg, do we? Yes, we do. Alright, then. And the last one... That guy fall? Where did this guy go? Maybe he was up higher. One more level. Possibility. There are two guys here.
We got no reason to hang around and get shot. Stop being such a fucking pansy. We hold out for the other. Hey!
Oh. No, that's good. Good. There we go. Kill shot. Boom. We only had a 58% chance, but that was good. That was good. We didn't lose very much health. Right leg we do need, so let's put on that right leg. Boom. Oh, we do have a level up. Alright, so I say we either do damage resistance or some sort of damage resistance or life giver. Or sneak. Sneak is also another thing we could get. I'm going to say we're going to go with Lone Wanderer. Take 15% less damage. And also able to carry more. Sure, why not? Excuse me. There's a few more guys up here.
Come on, man. They ain't going nowhere. We got other shit to deal with. You hear that? I gotta go take a little walk. Someone's up there.
Took a little bit of damage there, not a big deal. I think we would have taken more damage if we did not do it that way. Leather chest piece, excellent. Our leather set is pretty much complete. Nothing else of use in here. And nothing... Oh, actually that will work. Let's just go back here real quick. Check out this room in here. Don't believe there's anything too useful in here. Maybe some adhesive stuff, which I already see there's going to be. There's always adhesive stuff in these toolboxes, so remember to check those. Now, let's head on to Preston Garvey, probably the most annoying character in the game that I absolutely despise. Before you do that, take this. Basically does nothing, but whatever, it's fun.
Preston Garvey, Commonwealth Minutemen.
Glad to help.
Glad to help.
Well, if that's true, we could use some more goodwill. As you can see, we're in a bit of a mess here.
God damn it. Please,
Go on.
A month ago, there were 20 of us. Yesterday, there were 8. Now we're 5. First, it was the ghouls in Lexington, and now
You can
this
see the
mess.
perception bobblehead right there. Sounds rough.
Sounds rough.
God damn it.
Thanks. It's good to meet someone who really cares. Anyway, we figured Concord would be a
Blah,
safe place to settle.
blah, blah.
Raiders proved
Yeah,
us wrong.
I understand. I get it. Your
We
life
do have one
sucks.
idea.
One good idea can make all the
Great.
difference.
Sturgis, tell him.
Power armor, vertibird, minigun, blah, blah, blah. We got it. I think we understand.
Well,
We won't be using that minigun, though, so...
minigun. Now,
Blah, 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 blah. I'll help. Blah, blah, blah. Shit,
Actually, I already
shut up.
grabbed the fusion core.
We get it.
Excuse me.
We've played this so many times. We get it. Don't forget the perception bobblehead. I don't know if you guys are like would be following along in this walkthrough type LP deal, but if you are, don't forget to pick that up. It's essential. Essential. Okay, we are either I have not practiced this at all. So this could go so bad. So bad. But from what I have planned, this could go decently well. My plan, of course, is to go into that house. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna take this minigun, and we're not gonna use it. Not gonna use it at all.
Up here. Boss, we got somebody up here. Wait.
Grab this shit.
Opening fire.
Come on. Good.
Why don't you get down here? Let you and my boys have a little talk. Come on, I've got places to be.
One-handed. Boom! Sit down, bitch. Sit the fuck down. Alright. Well, I'm gonna be a little bit of a bitch about this. Actually, they're kind of retreating, which is nice. I'm missing horribly. He's like the boss, and I'm still fucking missing. Come on, hit the damn guy. Not quite sure how he died, but we're gonna accept it. Alright, this is going pretty poorly. We're gonna go this way. Head on up in here. Get some headshots. Boom. We will take your shit. There he is. I'll let them do some stuff. Do your thing. Alright, let's save our ammo here. This is gonna be quite the battle. Let him take care of all the bad guys. Where's he at? There he is. He wants to be friends. Let's shoot him in the face. Wow, that was good. That was a good time. Good job, people. Yeah, go kill that guy. Alright. Where you at? Come on, shoot him! Ah, that would have been a hit. Taking a little bit of damage, but not too much since I got the power armor on. Not really sure where the Deathclaw went. Kind of terrified, actually. because he will be dealing some damage. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so the last enemy is the Deathclaw, which is going to be a whore to kill. Stop. Okay, apparently we can't shoot through that. What's our plan of action? That's a good question. Can we get on top of these buildings? That would be very helpful. Well, I'm gonna quick save because this could go horribly wrong. Sorry, this is frickin' a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Actually, right now we are almost hidden, I think. We've been using a lot of this power armor by sprinting. We kind of need to stock up on 10mm ammo. We do have a level up, which we will put in to this. Oh, the requirements aren't met. So we will put this into well, gun nut probably. So let's put this over here. We'll just fucking put it here. We'll get more fusion cores eventually, and maybe even just use this more often. The power armor. I don't think we can roast anything. We actually can. We can cook some ribeye steak. Not before we sleep, though. That would be silly of us. Make that real quick. We should be able to upgrade our gun a bit more. So let's do that as well. So the most we can do now is powerful receiver. I might settle for that, actually. We need, yeah, let's settle for that. Powerful receiver. The long light barrel would be nice. 2 more accuracy, I don't know if that's worth it. Quick eject mag. This adds to the accuracy as well, but it takes off the range. don't know if I'm too upset about that. We are going to be getting the suppressor eventually, so not quite sure if this is worth it, though, in terms of accuracy. This is the only thing that we will be upgrading, though, so I guess there's no harm in upgrading it. Alright everybody, welcome back. This is called the Deathclaw strat. Sorry that I'm whispering, but everyone's sleeping in the house, so I have to kind of be quiet. Yeah, so it took me 6 cars to kill this thing. 6 cars total. That's the first car. I'm still on very hard mode. I didn't change anything. As you could see from the I sped up the last part of the video just to prove that I didn't want to just cut, but it kind of does cut to this part a little bit, but that's just because it took me a while to complete this strat. So I got Codsworth as sort of a distraction. Doesn't distract him very much, but thankfully the Deathclaw gets kind of distracted by other things like butterflies and that kind of shit, so we're good in that department. But yeah, there is a close call up here where I almost get killed. I was pretty upset actually that or not upset really, but just like terrified that I was gonna get killed, because this took me like 45 minutes to do, so it was pretty shitty, but I actually finally did this. Finally. Yeah, there was a little bit of weird audio there. I'm not really quite sure why it captured like that, but I don't know if you guys heard it too. I have a weird audio jack for my Asus, so it could be that as well, but yeah, as you could probably tell, I probably shot him like 3 of the 4 times. I don't know if that was 3. It may have been 3 times, but I shot him a couple times then, and it took like no health, so that's proof that I'm still on very hard. And you know, 6 cars is the only thing that can do them in, so sorry if it sounds a bit shaky. I'm actually holding the mic with my hand, so I'm about to go to sleep right after this, so yeah, quality videos, quality audio. Obviously, this is dubbed commentary, so this could be happening more often. I'm going back to school in 2 weeks, so we'll see if any more videos get done. I'm sure more videos will get done, but I don't know how many more videos. But yeah, we have Codsworth helping us out. I actually don't get him to follow us this time around, I don't believe. I thought he was coming around, but he didn't. But this time he will, and he will die. This is 10mm pistol, no armor as you can probably tell, and on very hard. I end up with 9 rounds at the end. 9 rounds. Now he's coming, and as you can tell, his health is down pretty low, thanks to the car explosions and a little bit of Codsworth, probably not that much, and a little bit of, as you can see, Preston's shooting at him as well. Thankfully, part of that explosion actually pushed him down. There's some weird audio going on with the gunshots. I'm not really quite sure what that is, but I'll have to figure that out. It's probably just how it's capturing the audio. It's kind of weird, but yeah. So right here, I am going to show you, after I save, I am going to show you that indeed it is still on very hard. In a second, I don't know what I'm doing here. Here we go. And there you go, very hard. That's just the proof. The proof. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, rating, and subscribe if you really enjoyed it, because that strat took me some time. And if that strat helps you at all in your adventures in Fallout, leave a like, and join me next time when I play Fallout 10mm pistol, very hard difficulty. Alright? Alright guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.